It all stems from those handwritten notes we told you about earlier this week. The sheriff's department is still trying to figure out how Jessy Kurczewski's trial notes ended up at one of her friend's houses. But whatever happened, Kurczewski's attorney says there are still a lot of unanswered questions and possibly a conflict of interest.
And sentencing should be stopped today.
On the day Jessy Kurczewski was supposed to be sentenced to life in prison for killing Lynn Hernan with eye drops and stealing Hernan's money, there's a delay.
This filing leaves a lot of questions for the court.
Both of Kurczewski's defense attorneys filed to withdraw from the case. They cite a conflict of interest. This 37-page document was sent to Kurczewski's friend, who turned it over to the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department last week.
The detectives have been looking into this, I would say, on a daily basis.
Prosecutors say the document appears to be written by Kurczewski. In the letter, she asks a friend to fake paperwork and even pretend to be Hernan in a voice recording, all in an effort to back up Kurczewski's claim that Hernan died by suicide. While discussing the plan in her letter, Kurczewski wrote, "This was one of my attorney's ideas."
Contacted the state bar ethics, granted by them. They said I should withdraw the case. That's all I'm going to say.
Prosecutors say the letter was written on the back of Kurczewski's trial notes. It's still not clear how the documents were delivered. There's no postmark, but defense attorney Donna Kukler told Doro she recognized her own handwriting in the notes.
We thought it certainly relevant that these were written on the back of trial notes. The letter purports to be from Jessy. She's the only one to gain from having somebody file the things that are requested.
Hernan's family and friends were prepared to deliver victim impact statements during Thursday's sentencing. Now this phase of the case could be delayed weeks, even months, as Kurczewski gets a new attorney.
I haven't had representation in the last week, though, and I need to be able to speak to that.
Kurczewski, now's not the time.
Now, we just got a copy of another handwritten note, this one 25 pages that Kurczewski sent to Judge Doro, in which Kurczewski denies any knowledge of that other letter from earlier in the week. The defense attorneys have said that the prosecution has said that the defense attorneys are not under investigation in this case. Obviously, still a lot of unanswered questions. Kurczewski will be back in court next month, presumably with a new attorney. Reporting live in Waukesha, Brett Lemoyne, Fox 6 News.
Brett, thank you.